Well, good news for Eleuthera residents tonight as the government plans to enhance the glass window bridge, which is the only vehicular link between North and South Eleuthera. The structure has always concerned Eleuthera officials, especially during adverse weather conditions, which limit access by motorists as sea surges from the Atlantic Ocean topple the bridge. Prime Minister, the Most Honorable Dr. Hubert Minnis, revealed details of the construction for that new glass window bridge during his recent visit to the island.
We will be signing a contract for the new glass window bridge in North Eleuthera. And this is the new glass window bridge that will be constructed in North Eleuthera, separating the calm and the rough waters that you are so familiar with. And be assured that this will be classified as one of the wonders of the world. As a result, we will have more tourists visiting our shores.